So we can see over here that they can be classified into crystalline solids and amorphous solids. In crystalline solids, they are going to have definite arrangement or regular arrangement of particle, hence they will have the definite characteristic shape. In case of amorphous solids, the arrangement of constituent particles is not regular, it is indefinite, so their shape is also going to be irregular. That is the first point. Now the second point is long range order and short range order. So what is mean by this? Let's see the two images showing long range order and the short range order. This is crystalline quartz and this is amorphous quartz, which is also known as quartz glass. So okay, the red ones are oxygen atoms and the blue ones are silicon atoms. We all know that quartz is made by the combination of silicon and oxygen, that is SiO4. So they are going to form the tetrahedral arrangement. They are going to form the tetrahedral arrangement, and one SiO4 molecule will be bonded with the other SiO4 molecule, and that's when we are going to get the quartz. So quartz is going to be of two types, crystalline quartz and amorphous quartz glass. We can see over here, this is one tetrahedra, that is our silicon and bonded to 3 oxygen atom. One of the oxygen atom is behind the diagram that we cannot see over here. So this is one tetrahedra attached to the another tetrahedra. This is another tetrahedra. So they are attached together, and we can see that the definite arrangement of particles is repeated for a longer distance. Periodically it is repeated for the longer distance. Overall the crystal you will have the same arrangement. That is called as long range order. But here in this case, in case of amorphous one, what is the case? The geometry or the structure or the shape is not continued for the long range order, it is there for the short range order. So somewhere they are connected properly, but somewhere you can see here the shape is not proper, that we can see over here. So in case of long range order in crystalline solids, definite pattern is repeated periodically over the long distances, therefore called as long range order. In case of short range order, the definite pattern is not repeated. Okay, it is random throughout the system. So how this is formed? We can say that when crystalline quartz is heated, when we will heat crystalline quartz and we will cool it rapidly. Crystalline quartz is heated, it is fused, and when it is cooled rapidly, then we are going to get the amorphous quartz glass. So heating then cooling rapidly will going to have certain imperfections in the arrangement of particles, and due to that imperfections, the arrangement or the pattern is not repeated for the longer distance, therefore it is called as short range order. Here we can see that though SiO4 is our molecular formula, we can see that one oxygen atom and this is second oxygen atom bonded with the silicon, correct? So one silicon is always bonded with the 2 oxygen atom. So I hope you have understood what is meant by long range order and short range order.